So you may have heard of the peel-back motors that LEGO make. However, this is a wind-up motor. So how it works is you wind it up, take out the key, and then... So of course, the great thing about the wind-up motor being made of LEGO is that you can customize this in any way you like. So, if I wind this up, and set it down, unfortunately, it doesn't work so well if you have a lot of solids. Your models can only be so large, since if they're too big, it won't run as well since the load is heavier. Of course, if you wind it up some more, like so, the tension in the spring is increased, and so it outputs more power. Observe. Interestingly, the front wheels are detachable, so you can put them anywhere on the car that you like, and make the car, well, as long as you like. So now that I've finished my first review video, I'm on my first step to becoming a real YouTuber. Now all I need to do is color my hair an obnoxious shade of cyan. Reference popular memes, and make Fortnite videos. On second thoughts, even I'm not going to stoop that low. So you won't do Fortnite videos, but what about your old Roblox videos? How dare you speak of those dark times? No, wait! What are you doing? No! Get to fuck! And we join you now with Prime Minister Theresa May as we ask, why on earth do you want to continue with Brexit? Well, I think there's a good reason,